books. Is it? Did you understand the previous class? Okay, we are learning about the beginning of the world, modern world. Is it? In that, what you have learned in the previous classes? You have learned many things like sources of materials. Okay, Renaissance. As part of Renaissance, you have learned about discoveries and voyages, explorations, and different other things you have learned. Is it? In this class, and you also learned about the Reformation. Is it? And in this class, you are learning about the causes for Reformation. Okay, what you are going to learn? Causes of Reformation. Okay, during this Renaissance period, what all the new things developed among the people? Humanism developed, rationalism developed, then scientific and spiritual ideas were developed, and also the spirit of inquiry was developed among the people. What were the things developed among the people? Humanism developed, rationalism developed, spirit of scientific spirit was developed, and spirit of inquiry was developed among the people, and all these things gave power to the people. Okay, it took the people in other sense. Did you understand? Now, once upon a time, what happened? People accepted the church teachings and the orders of Pope as it is. Okay, the people were forced to accept. Now, what happened during the Renaissance period? There was a arrival of new machines. Okay, because of that, what happened? Different books were published, translated. Okay, it came to the knowledge. The things which is written in the Bible came to the knowledge of the people, which gave more idea to the people. They understood. Before, what happened? The monopoly of the church did not accept the common people to educate, okay, to learn the religious things. Now, because of the translation of Bible, because of the Reformation, what happened? People had the opportunity to learn Bible, not only the Bible, the different books which is written by different people, which gave more knowledge. Okay, so the rationalism, the humanism was developed. People started to giving important rather to the humanic ideas, humans ideas rather than the spiritual ideas. Okay. So what happened? Now people stop giving importance to the spiritual matters. They realized, they analyzed on the matters. So what happened? The first thing, Renaissance. Okay, first cause for the Reformation was Renaissance. Okay, due to Renaissance, what happened? Humanic ideas were developed. People's ideas and thoughts were given important. The scientific spirit given important rather than the defined affairs and defined matters. Then spirit of inquiry was developed. People started to ask questions for everything. Okay, so they did not accept the papacy, and the power of Pope was questioned. Okay, and the church orders were questioned by the people. Now what happened? The next thing is evil practices of the Roman Catholic Church. Okay, what is the evil practice that was prevailed in the Roman Catholic Church? Okay, I already told monopoly was given important. Okay, all people were not given opportunity to get education. Okay, people were not given important. Okay, the high class people only gave important to get education. So Bible was not known to everyone. Whatever Pope said was believed by the people. Now here what happened? Because of the rationalism and scientific spirit, people started, and the translation made available Bible to the even to the ordinary people. Okay, so what happened? People understood the things which is going on in the church. Once what happened? The church leaders like Pope, clergyman, and the priest, they led a pious and ordinary life. Okay, and they gave importance to the common people. Now what happened? They started to live a luxurious life. Okay, they lived on wealth. So what happened? They led a immoral life. Their life is not morally good. Okay, and they did not consider people's life. They did not give importance to the people. Okay, they themselves they led a immoral life, and their life is not good to the people. They did not remember anything welfare of the common people. And when we see the Roman Catholic Church, the church collected different kinds of taxes from the people, ordinary people, not only from the people, from the European countries, Christian countries, they had to pay taxes to the Roman government. Okay, so the Roman government, they were lived luxuriously. Okay, they flourished in wealth because of the different taxes collected by from the people all over the Christian European world. What are the different taxes they have collected? The taxes collected were tithes. The tithe and the Peter's pence. Okay, these are the different taxes collected from the people. Now, what is tithe? We know is it? Tithe is 1/10 of the income, which supposed to be given to the church or the people. So, because of this, what happened? There was bribery and corruption prevailed in the church. Okay, and they have every position was paid. Okay, and the people were not chosen based on their ability or anything. They have chosen because of the corruption and bribery was prevailed in the church. There was done everything immorally. And when we see the church, they started to sell the indulgence. Okay, those who do the sin, those who commit sin, they have to pay money and get the indulgence. So what happened? These all things took place in the church. And the next cause for the Reformation was writing of the scholars. Different scholars, they wrote on the church, wrote about the matters that is taking place in the church, which gave rationalistic ideas, okay, which gave the scientific spirit to the people. There were two important people. One is John Wycliffe and John Keats. Okay, who were the important people? John Wycliffe and John Huss. Okay, John Wycliffe and John Huss. And when we see these people, they gave reformative ideas through their writings to the people. That led the people into Reformation. The next thing we see is rise of strong rulers. Rise of strong rulers. We see during the medieval period, there were feudalism in the Roman world, in the European world even. Okay, so this gave the feudalism declined during this period, and there were strong rulers emerged from this different part of the country in the Roman world, in the European world even. Okay, so these strong rulers, they started to raise question on the power of papacy and the authority of Pope. So they did not give importance to Pope or the papacy, but they raised question. They raised question against the blind belief of the church. Okay, and there were the emerge of the strong rulers. Now what these rulers wanted to do? These rulers wanted to have their power to establish in their country. So the national consciousness was developed. Okay, what was developed? National consciousness was developed because of the writing of the scholars. Okay, what happened because of the writing? the feudal system was abolished, and there were the emerge of strong rulers who wanted to establish their power in their native land. Okay, they opposed the power of papacy and authority of Pope in the country. This led to the Protestant movement with the head of the Martin Luther King. So Martin Luther King, he started the Reformative movement, Protestant movement. This became the main cause for the split of the church. The church was divided into two, splitted into two. One is the Roman Catholic Church, another one is the Protestant Church. Now we will see the role of Martin Luther King. Who is this Martin Luther King? See, the Martin Luther King was a German monk. What did he do? What is his part in the Reformation movement? Okay, he was a German monk. He is also a theologian working as a professor in the Wittenberg University. Okay, in German. Now, what happened? He happened to travel or happened to visit Rome. And in Rome, when he went to Rome, when he visited Rome, he happened to see the blind belief of the people in Rome, okay, and the attitudes of the church towards the people. Okay, what happened there? The intelligence was sold by many people. Okay, the people bought the intelligence with heavy price. Okay, because as much as money they pay, their sins have been forgiven. Intelligence is like a certificate given by pardon to God. Okay, pardon by God. It is a certificate for their sin. Okay, forgiveness certificate, pardon by God. When they get certificate, when they price more money, that means their sins were forgiven more. Now what happened? This was seen by Martin Luther King. So what Martin Luther King, he attacked the Roman Catholic Church. He raised the question on the Roman Catholic Church, and he led the people towards the reformative ideas. Okay, he asked the people not to believe this kind of blind faith. Okay, now Martin Luther asked the people to give. He said there is a power. Bible has the power to forgive sin, not the Pope, not the church. Okay, so he gave importance to the Bible, not to the church or the Pope. Now what happened? So the Pope got angry, and Pope directed the king of Germany to punish Martin Luther King. But what happened? Martin Luther, he was fearlessly stood against the power and authority of Pope in the Roman world. So because of that, his life was in danger. The Duke of Saxony, okay, Duke of Saxony, he was a prince of Saxony. He hid Martin Luther for 1 year. So being with the prince or Duke of Saxony, he translated Bible from German language to English language. He translated the Bible into different languages. Okay. Now what happened? The fire of Reformation led the people. Okay. It spread among the people, and they started to follow the ideas of Martin Luther King. They understood his ideas are truth. People were trying to find out truth rather than the blind beliefs. So this led to the Protestant movement. Now we will see what are the impact of this Reformation. First impact is the church had divided into two, splitted up into two. Then civil war was started in the Roman world, not only the Roman world, in the Christian world around. Next, the third point is religious intolerance was followed. Okay, in the Roman Catholic world, the Protestants were oppressed. In the Protestant countries, where the Roman Catholics were suppressed. So there were hatred of religious intolerance, hatred of among the people. Okay, religious persecution also took place because of the Reformation. Then we'll see the counter Reformation. Okay, what is counter Reformation? Now Pope understood the instability and the condition of Roman Catholic Church around the world. He understood people were not following Pope anymore. They were trying to follow Martin Luther King and towards the new religion called Protestant. Okay. Now the Pope wanted to bring some disciplinary action in the church. So what he did, he started the Reformation, counter-Reformation movement. Okay. According to this counter-Reformation, what happened? He brought virtues. Okay. He wanted to show that he is compassionate towards the people. He was considering the people. He was taking the welfare attitude towards the people. Okay, this is about the counter-Reformation. Now, rise of nation states. What is this rise of nation states? This rise of nation states, which shows the unified nations. The nations together, they came under one umbrella. Okay, they came with common culture, common history, common language and territory. They shared the language, culture, territory, everything together as common. That's why we say the states, nation states. Okay. Now, economical development also came because of the Reformation movement. How the economical development came? See, once the European Christian countries forced to pay taxes to the Roman Catholic government, to the Pope. Now what happened? Because of the opposition of the people, because of the Reformation movement, because of the Protestant movement, people were heard and they started to have the nation feeling, national consciousness. They themselves wanted to govern themselves. Okay, these kind of feelings, it came, stop giving the taxes to the Roman Catholic government or to the Pope. Now, once upon a time, because of the taxes, the wealth from the countries, from the nation drained towards Roman Catholic world. Now what happened? Because of the taxes were stopped giving, the nations, they developed themselves. They got more money through the trade and commerce, through everything. Okay. Now what happened? They had more money and wealth. The rulers wanted to spend their the wealth towards the welfare of the people. Thus, what happened? The economically also the nations were developed. Did you understand, children? So, different things you have learned on part of this causes of Reformation. What are the things you have learned? First thing you have learned is Renaissance, then evil practices in the church. Then the third thing what you have learned is the rise of strong rulers and the writing of the scholars and the role of Martin Luther King, how he brought the nation towards the Protestant movement. Okay, these all things we have learned. Then we will have the few questions to be filled. Turn your book to page number 18. Page number 18. The modern age in India began with the conquest of India by British. First one. First one is British. India was ruled by the British for nearly 200 years. Third question. Two kinds of source materials for modern period are primary source and secondary source. Third one, the Renaissance shared in revolutionary changes in Europe and marked the transition from the medieval to modern age. Four characteristic features of the Renaissance period are expansion of trade, voyages of discovery, in interaction with various societies, and prosperity. B. Match the following. First one, archaeological source like monuments, primary source. Renaissance, humanism. Constantinople, capital of the Byzantium Empire. Reformation, Martin Luther King. Tithe and Peter's pence, taxes levied by Roman Church. Correct answer. In India, C. Question number 1. India, the modern period is generally regarded as having begun in the mid 18th century. The primary sources for the study of the modern period are preserved in archives. The wealthy merchants and the professional class consist of doctors, lawyers, teachers, etc. formed by upper class. Formed by middle class. Okay, formed by middle class. The invention of the printing press helped to spread the ideas of the Renaissance thinkers far and wide. Martin Luther was a German scholar, Christian monk. D. True or false? The source materials of the modern period are two kinds, primary and secondary. Second one, primary sources of history include books, reviews, reports, and articles. False. Renaissance scholars shifted the focus from divine affairs to the human affairs. True. The voyages of discoveries led to the decline of trade and commerce. False. The Reformation was also known as the Protestant movement. True. I will give the page number for the questions. E. First question, page number 9. Second question also page number 9. Third and fourth question also page number 9. And come to the fifth question, page number 9. Sixth question, page number 9 and 10. Seventh question I will give you in the notes afterwards. Meaning of Renaissance also we can find out from the book. What is meant by Reformation? Page number 16 and 13. Question number 8, page number 10. Okay. Question number 7 also page number 10. Question number 7, page number 10. Question number 8, page number 10. Question number 9, page number 16 and 13. Question number 10, page number 16. F section, question number 1, A, page number 11. B, page number 11. C also, page number 11 and 12. And second question, A, Renaissance, page number 13. B, evil practices of the Roman Catholic Church, page number 13 and 14. C, rise of strong and powerful rulers, page number 14. G section, identify the person in the picture, Martin Luther King, with which great religious movement in his name associated, Reformation movement or Protestant movement. Where was he born and in which country did he lead his movement? German and Rome. Mention any 4 effects of the movement started by him. Page number 15. Here we end the class. We will see in the next class. Thank you, children.